Hey, what's going on? It's Dom. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a tour inside my 2009 BMW 335i convertible and the modifications that I've done to it since I purchased back in 2014. Now, back then I got it from the original owner. It had 50,000 miles and it's currently at 78,000 miles, and it's come a long way from being stock. I am going to put together some videos in the future showing the exterior modifications as well as what I've done under the hood, but today let's concentrate on the inside. So let me turn the camera around and get this video started. When you sit inside the vehicle, the first thing you see is the beautiful steering wheel from Azenis Auto Wheel. Took about 5 weeks to get here from overseas, but totally worth it. I chose to go with the orange stripe down the center, orange stitching on the inside, all around, perforated leather on either side of the wheel, and Napa leather on the top and bottom. I also swapped out the M badging for the N54 badge that I got from Mashimaro. This thing looks good, feels great, and makes driving so much fun. Now you see this L wire that I've got running across the dash, which lights up in orange when I open the car doors. I think it's pretty cool, and it fit perfectly in between the trim pieces. It also helps to break up all of the black forged carbon fiber that I have going on. Prior to this forged, I had the regular dry carbon fiber, and that was on for about 5 years. I got tired of it and recently changed it out myself. It continues down the radio to the climate control, the CD player, and onto the center console. And it's also on the door trim and in the rear passenger compartment. I like it. It's working for now, and it's probably going to stay until the trend passes, right? And then we drop something else. All right, let me pause a second here and ask that if you enjoyed the video so far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell so you'll be notified for the next video that I post. Let's keep going. Then after the L wire, I put in the blue start stop button, and I think it complements the orange very well. Next, I chose to change the color of my gauge faces. I went with these orange ones from Vanoxy. These are not vinyl overlays. These are actual dials. I took out these stock black ones and I swapped them in for these orange ones. They look really nice. They add that nice bright color to the cockpit. At night, it looks really, really nice. I like the way it lights up. I may choose to upgrade and put in some bright white LEDs so it lights up a lot brighter, but for now, I really like the way it looks. I wish that I had created videos for these 3 modifications and show how simple they were, especially the L wire, but too late now, right? Could I reverse engineer it and do it all over? Yeah, probably, but I don't think I'm going to do that. All right, let's move on. Now on the steering wheel as well, you see I've got the beautiful blue paddle shifters. Those are from Nelson Racing. I just installed those recently. I have a video. That link will be up above. These things are hot. I'd like to show you an angle from behind, but it's a little difficult. Maybe I'll do it if I can in the montage. Before I did the paddle shifters, I did the seat belts. I took out the stock reels and I had the black webbing redone in blue. I do have a video for that. I'll link it up above. I had to do a video because I searched high and low how to remove these seat belts in this E93 model. I couldn't find one. There are plenty out there for the coupe and the sedan. They're easier, but on the convertible, there are none out there. And it's because they're mounted differently. They're up here on the headrest, so it makes it a little more difficult to remove. Now, the last thing that I have in here, which is not really a modification, but I know everyone has it in their vehicle, and that's a mount for my mobile device. I love this thing. It's wireless and it's magnetic, so I slap my phone on there and I don't have to worry about fumbling around with any cables, right? It's very cool. That's everything that I've done inside the vehicle. Stay tuned for other videos where I'm going to show what I've done outside as well as under the hood. Again, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and as always, take care. I'll see you next time.